We surveyed more than 150 property managers and owners across the United States, and the results were clear. Your teams are being asked to deliver more consistent service and stronger security, often with the same legacy systems they've been stuck with for years. But as costs rise, the gap between how your property currently operates and how it needs to operate is growing impossible to ignore. Our survey revealed 3 clear statistics defining property management this year, and together they show why automation is becoming essential to modern property operations. Let's start with the financial reality. 61% of property managers report that operational cost control is having a significant or critical negative impact on their business. In today's market, cost control doesn't just mean slashing your budgets. It means you need to change the cost curve over time. Small inefficiencies, like manual workflows and fragmented systems, create a structural drag on your portfolio performance. By automating routine processes and centralizing systems with ButterflyMX, you can move away from reactive spending and toward more predictable operational expenses. The second signal is a massive shift in maintenance priorities. 75% of property managers say improving maintenance operations is a high priority. Maintenance is one of the most time-intensive part of property management. On a typical day, teams are buried under repetitive tasks and manual coordination. Automation helps reduce that burden and allows these workflows to move closer to autopilot. Issues are suddenly identified faster, human bottlenecks are removed, and your staff can spend less time managing tasks and more time on building high-value resident relationships. The third, and perhaps the most striking finding, is the security inflection point. Our data shows that property security vulnerability becomes a top-tier challenge once a property reaches 30 units. At this size, internal processes start to break down. More residents mean more credentials, more visitors mean more opportunities for tracking errors, and more deliveries mean more chances for unauthorized entry. As your portfolio grows, your risk shouldn't grow with it. ButterflyMX helps you scale security by centralizing permissions across every door, gate, and garage, so your operational burden stays manageable as your unit count grows. Ultimately, these 3 signals point toward one conclusion. The era of point solutions is over. You can no longer afford to invest in tools that solve one problem but add overhead elsewhere. The goal for this year and beyond is measurable efficiency. Fewer handoffs, fewer manual steps, and fewer systems to manage. ButterflyMX is built for this shift. We've moved beyond standalone access control to provide a platform that aligns with how your properties actually operate. By connecting access, security, and maintenance into one unified platform, you can streamline your property operations and boost NOI across your portfolio. Visit ButterflyMX.com today to get a quote and see how our automated operations can transform your portfolio.